is it's easier to grasp it in a context. So I'm going to give you some scenarios, right? So, and you have to use the right form of the verb to fill in the blank. An example would be कल शाम अचानक बारिश होने लगी, खेलने लगे. Beautiful. Okay, beautiful. थोड़ी देर बाद ठंडी हवा चलने लगी. What does it mean? It's a cool breeze started flowing. They started looking outside the house to see how the weather is basically. लोग घरों के बाहर देखने लगे कि मौसम कैसा है. Right? So while sipping the tea, some people they started singing in the balcony. Right? I have time, so I'm going to do one more paragraph. So this is the one that we were discussing, and this is the present or habitual scenario. So पढ़ना will become पढ़ने लगते हैं, right? Because it's बच्चे, बच्चे is plural, so बच्चे पढ़ने लगते हैं. Same thing, teachers, समझाना changes to, समझाना is the verb is to explain. It changes to समझाने, and then because it's plural, it's लगते हैं. To blow is बजाना, right? To blow the horn is horn बजाना, and it's because it's buses, horn बजाना changes to horn बजाने लगती हैं, because this buses is considered feminine. Then the next one, new student, नए students एक दूसरे से मिलना changes to, right? So मिलने लगते हैं. I'll give you a small homework exercise. You can take a screenshot of it. So this is the future scenario. So we've done the past, we have done the present, right? This one is the future one, which is, again, you're not making the future conjugation of खेलना, but rather लगना, right? So अगर कल बर्फ गिरी, if it snows tomorrow, बच्चे घर पर खेलने लगेंगे. You just focus on the verb and put the right form of lagna. You can say खेलने लगूंगा for masculine singular, लगूंगी if I'm saying it for myself, right? So even if you do that, it'll make you comfortable. Like for example, मैं दौड़ने लगूंगा, I will start to run. Yeah. I'm going to take a pause here. Any questions on this homework exercise? It's a small homework, not too long.